Hello and welcome back to Jillie's Nails. Today we are going to recreate the very first stamped mani I ever did. And look, I was so proud of this, guys. It was so bad. When I look back at it now, woo, bad. So it's going to be a lot of fun to recreate this in a way that I would do it now. I like to do this from time to time, kind of go back and visit the origins. I am not 100% sure which image I used. I think it's the one on the right. But I didn't keep track of everything back then because I was just learning and having fun. So it is what it is there. I have also been very sick, and so my voice sounds like crap. I apologize. If I get all weird and crazy sounding while the video's going on, that's why. Had a shot in the butt this week. Unpleasant. Is what it is. I also breathe and sound like a harmonica right now, so welcome to my life. I'm doing a gradient on this. I did a gradient the first time. I think the colors might have been a little bit different, but what you do for a gradient is put down your lightest color first, and then you just grab a makeup sponge and you start to layer everything on top. So I'm going to protect my nails, like the skin around my nails, with some Mani Queen Peel Off Latex. My brain's still not working either. I'm in an allergy medication induced haze. I'm going to use Spirited from Sinful Colors as the purple, and then I believe that one is called Fearless. Fearless is from one of their matte collections. They have some pretty good matte polishes. And their matte top coat's not bad either if you are interested in that one. Especially for, what, $1.99 or $2.99? It's a good price on them. If you can find them, good luck with that. I'm not still salty. Simple Colors. So we're going to go through and just do this on all the nails. When I do a gradient, what I like to do first is kind of stamp it down and then start to go up and down, back and forth. That to me helps blend it better and kind of gives you an idea of where your lines need to be, because otherwise you're kind of just going blind out on it and it can make it rough. So that's what it looks like with one coat. I do want that purple to show up a lot darker than that, so I am going to go in and do a second coat across all the nails. Much more vibrant, looks much better. And this is where the magic happens, is when you put on a top coat over a gradient. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Now, if you wanted to do that and leave it alone, I don't think anybody would be mad at you. Quite cute. But I am taking the Maniology Mermaid Top Coat out of this month's Mani by Me box, and I'm going to put a very thin layer of this on. It's almost dry brushed. That's how thin it is. Now, it looks green on here because it shifts from green to pink. So for some reason, the pink is not picking up as much on camera, but in person, oh, that's going to be my new thing now. The angels and the choirs sing. It's so pretty. Now, this plate, they came out of, I've talked about this before. Queen has these little stamp sets that are on Amazon that are in little round pink, yellow, and white leather cases. All of those stamping plates work very well. I have two of the sets. I have the yellow one and the white one. I don't remember. I think this is out of the yellow one. Really love this. Had a great time doing this, and the first time I stamped it, the image is like, it's not a polka dot Mani, and I looked at it and I remember thinking at the time, what the crap. It is what it is. And we haven't done any latex booger peeling in a while, so it's time for somebody who has not seen that trick from me. If you peel up one, you can use it to grab the other ones. Makes it a whole lot easier to get that off, but it does not work on latex free or kind of like glue based ones. It has to be more of the latex rubbery texture. Look how much the top coat makes that shimmer pop. It kind of just looks like a reflection before the top coat, but once you put it on there, oh, I love this. Love it. So much better than the original, don't you think? So much better. Look at that. It looks like freaking polka dots. I don't know what happened. It is what it is. what it is much better on round 2. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll have some links in the upper right corner if you want to click on those and check out some other videos. Thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate your time. Bye-bye.